Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Gav, aka Baytech, and today we're doing something a little bit different. So yeah, you're not going to be able to see much of my face because I'll be pointing the camera doing this way, but I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing. I got a little bit of post today, and I'm excited to show you guys what it is, because if you can tell by the label what it is, yeah, you know the direction this is going. As you guys can see by the front of the packaging, we've got Maxxecu. That's an ECU company, and it was supplied from Engine Management Store. Been speaking to Richard Stanton about this, and this is going to be the future of the RX7. Right guys, I'm buzzing for this. Hey, UK's #1. Oh shit. Oh, this is class. Be some extra wee bits in here. Yes. So here is air temp sensor. I got this one. It's like a Bosch Motorsport one instead of the Honda one, because the Honda K20 one's plastic and it doesn't react too fast, like at all. And it heat soaks. Here's a K20 plug, nice one. So that's what I'm going to use as like a harness for this here. Let's get this box. Oh yeah. Some stickers. Get them put in the car. Look class. There's the folk here at Maxxecu. It's a book. Nice. I'll need to get a good read over that. And look at that wee pinout. That'll come in handy actually. Shows you TPS. I'm actually going to use electronic throttle control, so I'll be using PPS and stuff like that. I'm using an Audi TT throttle body, and it's a Nissan X-Trail actual throttle pedal itself, so it's ace. Stick that down there, and here we have it. I've gone for the Maxxecu Sport Edition, so this has got everything I'm going to need. Absolutely tiny unit, nice and lightweight, it feels solid as well. I like the look of this. Here's some extras I've got. So these plugs here, actually that could be for, yeah, I think that's for the PPS, as in pedal position sensor, and this one could be for, actually that one looks like it's for a wideband, and this ECU obviously uses wideband. You just plug straight into the ECU, you don't have to worry about controllers and stuff like that. And I've opted for the 4.2 sensor rather than the 4.9. I don't know, I think 4.2s just seem to last a bit longer, even though 4.9 is the newer version. This piece here is the DTC loom. So this here plugs into the gearbox that you guys would have seen in that video the other day that I've just got. So that plugs into there. This plugs into a harness. This plugs into the shifter, and this plugs into, I think that'll plug into the drive logic button to change how hard it shifts. We've got this piece here, that looks like that's for the map sensor, so that's cool. I can get rid of the map sensor I've got on just now, which is just a cheap one. It looks like this plugs into there, that's for the aerial, so you got an aerial on my ECU. Here we have obviously communications cable for plugging into the Maxxecu as well, so I can speak to it via my laptop. And here is an almighty loom. JEEESO. Ah, nice one. Ah, okay, I got it. So this side pushes into the push connections, and there must be, so this will screw into my manifold, so that'll be the other side of it. That's handy, it comes with that. Here's some extra wiring here I'm going to have to use for CAN bus. And there's this beastie loom. So this part of the loom here obviously connects into the DCT. So I'll basically make a patch loom between the K20 plug and the Maxxecu. Just follow the pinouts to connect it all up. Just having a look there, and this extra plug here that's off the loom is actually for the DTC harness. So this just plugs together like this. Try and do this with one hand, that'd be interesting. There we go. So that'll just plug straight into the gearbox, and there is an extra one here. I'll need to check to make sure, see if that's live or a neutral. And you can see here, DCT cable harness for BMW. Oh yes, that itself does cost quite a bit of money, but you know, might as well just buy the full kit from them, because it's just plug and play. Like literally, you don't have to do anything else. Plug that into the gearbox, and that into drive logic, and that into the shifter, and that'll be ready to control the gearbox. Yes guys, so yeah, that's all back in its box again. Well, it looks like real quality stuff, and I'm really looking forward to starting this on this build. Just need to find some time. We'll get Christmas and that over and done with, and then we'll start bolting it all together. Eh? Right guys, thanks for coming along and watching. If you made it to the end of the video, well done, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers guys.